Niloge mopa trakama the mutoko ade. Sibluban dudo mala hemalago kito kichie wachilotonilo. My name is Cosnowa, and I am the senior class president. As your senior class president, I am extremely proud of each and every one of you. We have worked so hard for this moment. 2025 felt so far away when we were freshmen, yet here we are sitting in this arena to celebrate us, to celebrate our success, to celebrate our hardships, and to celebrate our new beginning. Just yesterday, we were little kids playing tag during recess. Now we are sitting here in our caps and gown, heading off to college, trade school, or starting our own business. During our freshman year, we were told that the 4 years of high school will go by fast. I didn't believe it at first, but I do now. During our 4 years at Benson High School, we have stressed out of our tests, struggled with procrastination, and dealt with interpersonal issues. But also in those 4 years, we have found friendships, we have created memories, and we have grown. When I was told I'd be writing this speech, I didn't know where to start. I was fearful. As you start your new chapter, you might find yourself in a similar situation. You might not know your next steps, and you might not know how life will treat you. As your new chapter begins, I want you all to remember that the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. The only way we get rid of fear is to face it head on. Eleanor Roosevelt said, "We gain strength, courage, and confidence by every experience in which we stop to look fear in the face. Never let fear stop you from becoming the best person you know you can be." And when you succeed someday, don't forget the halls you once walked in. Don't forget to thank the people who were by your side, supporting you and cheering for you. While I'm up here, I want to thank my parents for always supporting me, caring for me, and cherishing me. With their unconditional love and selfless sacrifices, I was able to grow into the young woman I am today. Yerosi Dubai Imode Bala Eyaro Ukuyaya, Yerosi Dubai Bala Helo Dukala Yuwa, Love the Diakone, Iganola Liganero, Yerosi Dubai Sai Shukila Ureipa Saporilla. Graduates, as you settle into this world, don't forget Benson High School. We walk through the halls of many greats, and one day we will be the greats. And when that day comes, remember that you will always be a mighty bunny. Thank you everyone. Again, congratulations to the class of 2025. Now it is my honor to present to you the Benson High School Chorus performing Connected.
Mrs. Bailey, Ataka Tosa Sawa, Grota Bawakenya, the Siki Lakino Clonino, so to Mutula, Hito Kisi, any Plojo Mutapilo, then the memory Tapi, La Jopo Pago, Domisi Kota Muta Manor Kala, Figolo, Jopola, Protonokla, the Tiwala, away Midakata, Asabo Kela, Tinyala, Miata Saro Koti, La Theata Mogulo, Oko Mitakira Kala, Grota Babuno Onino, Oking Yamata Mula Helpa, the group of Toyota Latin Pailo, with a super walk, the Data Cleveto, Losota Peta Hirolitato, the Mupa, the Pana Hupomi, Domite with a Suma with Lotta Sopulu, the Usota Uromata Mateta Gibu, the Kirata Titala Muwe Iway, with a Sowe, the Lunava Balakutulota, Jopumi, Rota Tramde Pamu, Kuadeke, Oking Yabamute Pa, the Gowe, the Lunava, Chopo, Trasamu, the Lita Ulata, with a Sudavan, the Burawati, over the Inda Seta Pai, the Goku Tota, the Kirawata, the Rata Telemawa, Mopa, Hipoko, the Titicola Hekela, Berlanahu, Chopola Prode Kami, the Gavata Soko, Burkina Pakuane, the Bake, the Lubinata, the Data Cleveto, Itumawai ura kukunyo lo sute lakpo ni lo taketa ple lo dengan terpakai lo letak pola lo pahida tak lemoi nong gaba aku coba terpakai lo tu letak ke beda tak ke wilo kini lo tapi
Benson High School Senior Class of 2025, please rise. Congratulations, graduates of the class of 2025. You may now move your tassel from right to left. This concludes the Benson High School commencement of 2025. Thank you for your support today. Will you please stand and remain standing throughout the recessional? Thank you.